Hi everyone, welcome to Shell Sugar Rush and welcome back if you've been here before. Today I'm going to be making these easy and delicious chocolate chip Valentine cookies with my granddaughters. So if you enjoy things like this, stick around and watch me bake and decorate them. Okay, so for our Valentine's cookies, I already have some cookie dough that I made and rolled out last night and put in the refrigerator overnight. And you can see here, this is chocolate chip. We'll put the recipe in the description box below for you. I have some various Valentine cookie cutters that I'm going to be using. Some X's and O's, lips, heart, arrow, and the word love. And I'm going to do at least one of each from this batch, and then I have another sheet of the cookie dough already made that I will bring in and cut out, and we'll get them on a baking sheet on some parchment paper and put them in the oven on 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes, but probably closer to 10. So I'm going to get these cut out so we can get them in the oven. So here I'm just rolling out the extra or excess that was left over. I'm rolling it back out so I can cut out a few more cookies and utilize all of my cookie dough. So just gonna cut a couple hearts out of this one, a couple smaller hearts. Okay, so this pan's ready to go in the oven. It still feels pretty cool, cool to the touch. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pop it in the oven. If it feels like your cookie dough is getting too warm or has gotten too warm while you were cutting, then you may want to pop it back in the fridge to chill for 10 or 15 minutes before you throw it in the oven. But I'm going to go ahead and throw it in the oven now, and we'll hope it holds its shape well. And then we'll be back. And our second sheet of cookie dough is out of the refrigerator, and you can see here I'm actually helping my granddaughters do the cutouts for this one, and of course they're doing a little taste testing along the way as well. And then we're going to get these baked and finished so that you can enjoy the cookie decorating process, and make sure you stick around to the end so you can see the decorated cookies that my youngest granddaughter did as well, one of her favorite things to do. Okay, so our chocolate chip Valentine cookies are complete. Be sure and let me know what you think about these in the comments, and definitely let me know if you decide to make some yourself. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button. And don't forget, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notifications bell so you'll be notified when I upload more videos in the future. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you next time.